Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I want to let you in on my favorite little purchase this year, which is this adorable Kodak half frame camera.
I'm just in love with this little Kodak half frame. It's so cute. I have it here in the sand color and I love that little retro look. It's very user friendly, very simple. If you want to turn on the flash, you just go ahead and twist that, wait for the red light to come on, and then you're good to go. I think this is great for beginners because it is so simple, but even if you are a film enthusiast, I think you're really going to enjoy this. Has a little strap to keep it around your wrist and it fits in the palm of my hand, which is fantastic. So easy to switch out the film. It's got a little slot, of course, for the film to fit in, and then you just go ahead and wind it up. Very easy to do on the go. Now, I love the half frame because you're able to get double the pictures out of your roll of film, and I think that they're really unique being that half frame shape. And I think what's great about it is that these photos come out looking so nostalgic. They look like old school film. I brought it on a trip with me recently. I loved how it's actually smaller than my cell phone, as you can see, so it was really easy for me to take with me on the go. But look how beautiful and romantic these pictures came out. I am just in love with them.
When I tell you I was so impressed with the photos that came from this adorable little camera, it honestly made me emotional seeing how great they came out. This is such an amazing camera, whether you have a trip coming up, if you want to reacquaint yourself with your love of film, or maybe you're brand new to photography. I think this is amazing for everyone to check out and to play around with. It's super fun, easy to use, and the photos that come out of it are just gorgeous and going to be memories for a long time. I highly recommend this. It's one of my favorite things. Check it out. That's just my point of view.